Okay, we're going to start out with this. This is the some good lumber that somebody found, I guess. I don't know where they got it from, but it's everything but straight. And we're going to go ahead and start turning this into some sort of a piece of lumber I can use to put the bench together. See how it goes. Laying her down. Make it look like something. Comes out prettier than it went in. Keep it going. Well, a little bit of running it through the planer gives me an idea of what I've got for wood to work with now. Anyways, this looks like some pretty nice stuff. So we'll have to get the rest of it out and see if we can make this work for the project. Okay, we've milled part of it and we're getting it set up. Getting our bench going. We've got the wood all attached up on the top side. Anyways, we'll put the other leg on it and then we'll be able to come down through and finish milling all the slats to sit on. So making progress, starting to look pretty good. Well, looks like rough cut finish. I think it looks pretty good. It's ready to sit on. Not too bad a project. Top was a little bit tricky getting that cut in, but other than that, it's really pretty straightforward. Clean up your boards, rip them the lengths you need, and put her together. So we'll turn this one back over to the owner. That's the end of that project.